Hello, Radiant Souls! Ready to unlock the most exclusive, under-the-radar beauty rituals of Hollywood royalty? From Natalie Portman's glow elixirs to Rebecca Ferguson's eccentric DIYs, these aren't your average skincare tips. We're talking red carpet secrets, whispered in glam rooms and guarded like gold. Forget overpriced creams. These two queens of elegance and sci-fi magic are diving into the world of unexpected, off-the-radar beauty hacks with bizarre beauty boosters. We're spilling the secrets their makeup artists whispered in rare interviews. If you thought beauty routines were boring, think again. Ready to get that red carpet glow from your kitchen? Let's dive in. She ruled the galaxy, danced with the swan-like grace, and keeps glowing like she knows a secret the rest of us missed. Because maybe she does. Natalie Portman's super private and doesn't spill beauty tips easily, but we've tracked down some of her most unexpected DIY tricks, straight from rare interviews and her glam squad's whispers. Let's go deep into beauty secrets the glossies won't print. 1. Tomato tightener. Pour shrinking elixir. Mash half a ripe tomato with fresh lemon juice. Apply for 5 to 7 minutes and rinse. This combo tones your skin, tightens pores, and gives you that filter-free look. 2. Anti-stress pre-shoot mask. When anxiety creeps in before filming, she mashes baked apple with 1 crushed glycine tablet, a calming amino acid supplement. The warm mash calms facial tension and softens stress lines, an edible mask that doubles as mood therapy. 3. Cabbage calm mask. For reactive, red skin, blend white cabbage in a blender, then stir in teaspoon of honey. Cabbage is loaded with vitamin K, which helps reduce redness and soothe sensitive skin. Honey adds hydration and has antibacterial powers. The Sleeping Beauty secret. Before bed, Natalie dabs flaxseed oil mixed with neroli essential oil onto clean skin. This tip comes straight from a French facialist. The combo not only softens fine lines, but also works as natural aromatherapy to calm the nervous system before sleep. 5. Frozen facial contour therapy. Her makeup artist spilled this icy tip. Natalie does a DIY cryo-massage using frozen infusions of sage and rosemary tea, shaped into wands or ice globes. She glides them along her jawline and cheekbones to depuff and define her facial contour. 6. Israeli family hair secret. Once a week, she rubs into her scalp a blend of burdock oil and dimexide, a pharmacy treatment known to boost absorption, mixed at a 1:5 ratio. Leave it on for 15 minutes max, then rinse. It stimulates hair growth and gives mirror-like shine. Lip plumper à la Ayurveda. Oublie le baume à lèvres. Natalie swears by clarified ghee butter plus a pinch of crushed saffron as a night treatment. She calls it her natural lip filler. The combo deeply nourishes, boosts natural tint, and gives that soft, pillowy glow by morning. 8. Detox bath with quinoa. She pours quinoa decoction, yes, that's quinoa boiled in water, into a warm bath, adds geranium essential oil, and soaks for 20 minutes. Quinoa is rich in amino acids and minerals that leave the skin baby soft and naturally hydrated. 9. Coffee maple scrub. Mix used coffee grounds with pure maple syrup and badyaga powder. Gently scrub onto damp skin for 5 to 7 minutes in circular motions. Coffee boosts blood flow and sloughs off dead skin, while maple syrup, yes, really, hydrates and softens. The result? Smooth, radiant skin with just the right amount of sass. 10. DIY spa. Brewer's yeast glow-up mask. Mix brewer's yeast with a splash of water until it forms a smooth paste. Apply for 10 to 15 minutes. Rich in B vitamins, this mask calms inflammation, controls oil, and gives your skin a smoother texture. Great for breakout-prone or tired skin. 11. Tonic surprise. Steep a handful of fresh parsley in hot water. Let it cool, strain, then add apple cider vinegar and licorice decoction. Parsley is packed with antioxidants that brighten and refresh the skin, while ACV helps balance your skin's pH. Hello, natural glow. Rebecca Ferguson is the queen of weird, but it works when it comes to self-care. She mixes the unmixable, blending forgotten Nordic rituals with cutting-edge Hollywood biohacking trends. Here are her most extravagant, yet surprisingly strategic beauty recipes that she swears by for instant glow-up magic. 1. The Viking Detox. Beer and birch bath. Ritual to flush out toxins and soothe sore muscles after intense stunt scenes. Fill a warm bath. Add dark, unfiltered beer, packed with B vitamins, fresh birch leaves or birch essential oil, sea salt and iodine, boosts lymphatic drainage, and soak for 20 minutes. Rinse off under a contrast shower for best results. Skin turns silky with a golden honey glow, and that stubborn orange peel texture, gone. 2. Criminal Aloe. The mask that should be illegal but isn't. For extreme hydration. This is Rebecca's post-flight or post-heavy makeup skin savior. Gently melt the lard like a villain in a spa heist. Mix with aloe and the St. John's wort oil, then slather on your face. Chill for 10 minutes while pretending you're in an indie skin cult, then blot off the excess with a tissue. Result: baby soft skin. Zero tightness, even in Arctic wind. 3. Berserk Hair Potion, not for the faint-scalped, waking up sleepy follicles, halting hair fall, and summoning the mane of a space warrior queen. Mix cognac and chili pepper, let it sit for 10 minutes. Tension builds. Stir in the egg yolk and burdock oil. Grandma was right, again. Apply to your roots only, unless you're feeling chaotic. Chill for 15 minutes and rinse with cool water, or you'll omelet your scalp. Effect: hair grows twice as fast, with volume so fierce it might get cast in Dune 3. Warning: you may start flipping your hair for no reason. 4. Frost Face Cubes. Ice Queen approved. Instant red carpet lift with a Viking twist. Mix nettle tea. Yes, the stingy kind. It's magic. Vodka. Tightens pores and wakes your soul. And lemon juice, for that lit from within glow. Pour into an ice cube tray and freeze. Glide over your face in the morning along massage lines like you're casting a frost spell. Effect: in just 3 minutes. Puffiness gone, skin lifted, pores gone, AWOL. 5. Swedish Monster Wrap. Cellulite. For when your thighs need a little tough love, mix mustard powder, yes, the fiery stuff, honey to soothe the drama, and camphor oil brings the heat. Slather on problem zones, wrap yourself up with plastic wrap, your cocoon of chaos, like a spicy sushi roll. Max 10 minutes. It burns like betrayal. Rinse off and soothe with a calming cream. Effect: skin goes from lumpy to legendary. Think post-spa smoothness without leaving home. The skin is smooth for 3 days. The effect is comparable to an LPG massage. 6. Valkyrie Lip Plumper. Kiss of the Gods. For lips that speak volumes. No fillers, no filters. Melt wax and cocoa butter. Stir in cayenne pepper, for the drama, and peppermint essential oil, for the tingle. Pour into a tin and chill. Apply when you're feeling bold. It's tingling, plumping, and a juicy pout that lasts 2 hours. Just long enough to slay a photo shoot or break hearts at brunch. 7. Honey plus panthenol equals Rebecca Ferguson's fake PRP facial. She calls it her budget-friendly biorevitalization. This unlikely duo is Rebecca's secret weapon for reviving her skin. No needles, no drama. Yep, she's that kind of genius. Mix Manuka honey, ampule of panthenol, provitamin B5, or pharmacy-grade bepanthen, cream and aloe vera juice. Up. Slather on clean skin. Leave for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water. Rebecca's pro tip: do it at night. She applies a thick layer, covers it with gauze, and lies down for 20 minutes like a skin sorceress. After one use, skin feels freshly peeled, smooth and dewy, no flaking, redness and irritation calmed by up to 70%. Fine lines look blurred thanks to a serious hydration boost. 8. Fish oil over fancy serums? Yep. Rebecca pops open a capsule of liquid fish oil and dabs it straight onto fine lines before bed. No serum, no fluff. Omega-3s are basically nature's retinol. They boost cell turnover, smooth texture, and deeply nourish dry or aging skin. If you can handle the smell, your skin will thank you in the morning. Plumper, softer, and visibly calmer. It's weird, it's greasy, but it works. Thank you for being with us. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to stay updated on the hottest news and amazing recipes.